Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today I'm going to be making a simple oven roasted chicken. It's going to be absolutely amazing. You're going to like this recipe. This is how your chicken will come packaged. This is a whole fryer cut up, so that means that you're going to get, you should get in each piece 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 legs, and 2 wings. And the price on this was $21.56. I have no words for that. I'm gonna remove it from my package. I'm gonna trim off any thing that I don't want on there. You know, I'll probably trim off like that piece of fat and that extra piece of fat there because I really don't want that on there. I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna put it in my bowl because we're gonna season it. Now that I've got my chicken washed, I'm going to just kind of pat it dry. I wish I had some paper towels, but I don't. All I have is napkins. And you know, they're not as good as paper towels. So just kind of blot your chicken dry, just as dry as you can get it, because you don't want that extra water that's gonna run right out of that. I'm sorry, my dogs see a squirrel outside and they're not going out. We're gonna start out with using a little bit of olive oil. Use a couple tablespoons, just enough to make sure that you get it all nice and moistened with that. And then to that, you're also going to add some smoked paprika. This is going to make it have a wonderful, wonderful color. Go ahead, be heavy with it because you want your chicken to have that beautiful, beautiful color. We're going to use some onion powder. Be liberal with it. You want to season it well. Don't be afraid to season your chicken. Some garlic powder. Daisy May. Sorry about that, guys. Again, be liberal. We're going to use some coarse salt. You've got to give that chicken a bit of saltiness. Now, if you have to use the garlic salt or onion salt instead, then you don't have to use regular salt. And then some fresh black pepper. Now, if I had some fresh parsley, I would use it, but I don't. I just have the dried, but that's okay. It's going to help make it look beautiful. You're going to add some of that in there. And then even though we added the garlic powder, so we're going to go in with a little bit of the minced garlic. Not a whole lot. Then I'm just going to go around with my clean hands just to make sure that this is all nice and covered. Now I'm going to cover this with a little bit of foil, or if you have saran wrap, that's fine. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let all those flavors combine. So what we're going to do is we're going to place it onto a foil-lined baking sheet. Make sure that, I probably should have told you this earlier, make sure that you preheat your oven to about 375 degrees. You want to make sure that you don't, you know, place it too close together. You want to make sure that it's got room to do its thing. Look how good that looks. gonna go in the oven, 375, probably for about 30 to 35, 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna jack the temperature up on it just so it'll get nice and crispy and golden and delicious. Now that is exactly what I wanted. It baked in the oven, roasted in the oven for about 35 minutes. I turned it up to 425 and let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. That's what helped the color look so vibrant and so beautiful. I'm telling you what, this is absolutely amazing. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon. It'll be really good. Make some of my barbecue sauce to go along with it. That would be amazing. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.